Hi everyone, today we're going to look at mass spectra and how to interpret them. So we briefly touched on this when I was going through the theory of mass spec earlier on this semester. And to be honest with you, this is probably the easiest out of them all. This is probably the easiest type of spectra to interpret. So just to go through a few points. Now, there is a guide already on Blackboard of the common fragments that's encountered in mass spec. So essentially fragments are based on the mass of each atom combined. So you need to know the mass of each of the elements. So you should know these at this stage anyway. Carbon's 12, oxygen 16, nitrogen 14, hydrogen 1. Now we will meet then chlorine, bromine and iodine. 35.5, 80, 127. So that's just straight from the periodic table. So some of the more common fragments. Well, CH3 is a very common fragment. So what I've done there is 12, because that's the mass of carbon. Mass of hydrogen is 1, multiply that by 3 and I get 15. So in the mass spec itself, there should be a line at 15. The OH then, 16 plus 1, so 17. And we'll come across that quite a bit, especially when we meet the like of alcohols and carboxylic acids. C2H5 is another very common one, again 29. And then after problem 20, a lot of them contain benzene. And benzene, C6H6, has a peak at 77. So remember now, there's loads of tables of common fragments online. This information is out there. It's all based on counting up the mass numbers. And as I said previously, there's a guide already on Blackboard.